Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Tampa, Florida. Today we're taking a look at a room here at the hotel. We're actually spending a couple nights here and we can't wait to show you around. So let's turn you around, take a look. Now the first thing you'll notice as we step into this room is that it is rather large. You'll also notice Bandit back there. It is a pet-friendly hotel, so we brought him along with us. If we turn around though and start at the front of the room, you will see that there is a large entryway, so plenty of space for strollers, ECVs, mobility devices, and then we do have the bathroom off this direction. So let's step in. You will notice it is huge in here. We have a walk-in shower that is rather large. We have this vanity, and of course, we have a toilet all separated by dividers. So here, we actually do have a light in here. Here is our toilet. Good size space for this toilet. We do have a frosted glass door, so we can shut that off. That's really great because it allows multiple people to use this space all at once. Over here we have this massive walk-in shower. So you can see we do have some amenities over here and face cloth. We have a handheld shower head as well as a wall-mounted shower head. If we turn this way, you'll see there's a light in here. It does open up quite a bit. Back here, we do have a bench. If we pull back here, we have our vanity. We have this really large mirror, which is great. And we do have two sinks. This room also comes with a skincare bar, shower cap, vanity kit. So there are some amenities here, which is nice. There's also a makeup mirror here as well. Heading out of the bathroom, you will see that there is a sliding door that closes this off as well. It's massive in here, so there's plenty of space for whatever it is that you need to do in here. We also have some towels and a towel rack, another place to hang your towels here as well. So, massive bathroom space. I love this already. Let's go back out into the room. You will see that we have a door here. I believe this is so that we can join the rooms together. Then we have this huge closet space. Let's see what we got in here. We do have a light that goes on. Bandit approves. In here we have some shelves up top, some hangers. I do like that we do have some satin hangers. That's nice depending on the type of wardrobe you're bringing with you. You have a luggage rack and a massive safe with a digital lock, which is good. We also have some additional storage down here, an ironing board, some robes, and an iron, of course, which is fantastic. You know, you're coming here, maybe you want to have a nice outfit on, have a fancy night out, you can absolutely do that. There are some dining establishments in here that do have a dress code, so that's wonderful that you have the ability to take care of your clothes appropriately. Here we have a little bit of a coffee bar. We've got our Keurig and some K-cups. We do have some water and also some cups. Down here, we also have a refrigerator, just a small one. but it's definitely enough to hold any leftovers or drinks that you might want to keep cold. Next up, we have our bed. This is a king size bed. Of course, we have some artwork. We have a nightstand over here. Rather narrow space, but it does open up, so it's tighter toward the head of the bed and it widens out toward the back. The room is shaped a little bit odd, so that's probably why we see that. We do have some switches over here. I'm not entirely sure what they do, but we'll figure it out. We've got a phone and a lamp. Also a nightstand with a little bit of storage down here. Not much, but there's plenty of storage elsewhere. Of course, we have our king-size bed with a bench here toward the end. I also love the detail on the pillows. That's a nice touch for the Hard Rock. And if you look close, you can see guitars on the bedding as well. Great addition to this room. Very simple, but still makes it feel special. I do love that. Here on this side of the bed, we have another nightstand, just like on the other side, which has this little cubby space here and a drawer. We also have another lamp and a clock radio that has some USB charging ports. There's also some regular outlets there as well. So enough outlets to plug in all of your electronic devices on your bedside table. We do have a lamp over here, and then this massive window that stretches the entire floor to ceiling side of this room. Now, I will say it's not much of a view. It is just the highway and the parking lot, but it is still beautiful nonetheless. So I can't complain. Really nice. Over this direction, we have a large mirror and a couch, as well as a table. So that's really nice. Nice place to get some work done and just lounge around. Then, of course, we have our television and this space right here, which we've already put some of our stuff, so don't mind that, but just another space where you can lay out some of your things. Looks like we have some plugs over here. Of course, we have our ice buckets, some more cups, and then there are some spaces for storage as well. So you can tuck some more things away in these drawers. They're good sized drawers. I think they'll do the job. Of course, there's a little cubby over there as well. And that brings us basically back to the beginning where we started, the front of the room. And that about does it for this room. I know it was just a quick look around, but hopefully you got a sense of what to expect if you're planning on staying here at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Tampa. Of course, there's a lot more that we would like to show you, so if you want to join us on our little adventure here in Tampa, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a minute of it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. It lets us know that you found this helpful, and that helps us quite a bit. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this room with us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.